Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Monday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and just back from Cannes, from MAPIC, a very exciting fair. A lot of retailers, a lot of brands are at MAPIC these days, looking to expand, looking at the region, opening some shops, closing some shops, of course, but really focusing on Central Eastern Europe and Southeastern Europe. The expansion directors looking to open new locations. A lot of web-based retailers also now looking for a flagship store or a couple flagship stores in the region. So, they're trying to decide whether it's Warsaw, whether it's Prague, whether it's Budapest, Bucharest, Serbia. So they're all looking for locations. So definitely a great 2024 should be a great year for retail. A lot of food concepts, a lot of F&B, a lot of leisure opportunities on leisure, a lot of luxury living and leisure opportunities there that are really tied in with retail. I was surprised to see how many nice hotels were coming and really new brands coming into the region. So if you have a shopping mall that are looking to go into shopping malls or being part of it, or shopping malls or office centers, all great opportunities. Again, a lot of leisure, a lot of people a lot of operators looking for partners, some bigger shopping centers opportunities there, but a lot of small and medium, a lot of outside, a lot of play area, interesting things for children, for things to come along. A lot of new tech, a lot of new innovation, a lot of the metaverse. I can see a lot of opportunities for retailers in the metaverse, and now even for smaller retailers where we have like these third-party companies setting up metaverse locations. So, to catch up with some of the bigger players, and even some of the bigger players looking for new opportunities. So really interesting. Talked to quite a few of the innovation and metaverse companies there that are going to be coming to our awards, which is in just a couple of months, in February 8th and here in Warsaw, and to stay in contact with all these people, the retailers, shopping center and retail park owners, also high street, quite a lot of high street, not as much in Poland as we'd like, but Czech Republic, Hungary, a lot of great opportunities for retailers and brands. A lot of partners coming in that are looking to take over some of the brands. So great opportunity. We hope to see you all at our retail awards, and anyone interested in doing anything in retail or anything in innovation. That is really, I think 2024 is really an expansion year for retailers and innovation into Central Eastern Europe. This is the place. So enjoy the rest of the week. We're going to go to Winston now. Winston now, who is also in our studio, will be coming along and we'll be covering the news for the week. A lot of interesting things going on. Also on the logistics side, which I was really surprised to see at MAPIC this year, a lot more logistic, a lot more last mile locations set up really for some of these web-based retailers looking to open shops, and also just in time shopping. So be prepared for 2024. A lot coming on. If you missed MAPIC, or if you're at MAPIC, definitely come to our event, our retail awards and forum on February 8th at the Intercontinental Hotel here in Warsaw. Enjoy the rest of the day, and we will see you tomorrow with the news.
Good Monday morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show, and here are the news highlights from the EuropaProperty.com website for today. And today we'll start in Krakow, Poland, where Warrenpex has opened its third office building in Krakow. This is the Mogliska 35 offices, and the property offers around 11,900 square meters of space, and it is already almost half let, according to the developers. And Franz Jurkowicz, CEO of Warrenpex, goes on to say that Krakow is the second largest city in Poland, and companies are particularly appreciate this location and site conditions. It is currently the largest regional office market in Poland and therefore an important development location for Warrenpex. Staying in Poland and moving to the logistics industry, and 7R has obtained a development loan for the 7R CityFlex Katowice 1 project. The financing of 15.5 million euros was provided by mBank, and the warehouse will deliver a total usable area of 22,000 square meters. And according to Łukasz Kopecz, project finance manager at 7R, the development loan will optimize investment costs. We are pleased that once again we can cooperate with mBank. We hope that this is another step in building long-term cooperation between 7R and mBank. Staying in the logistics and warehouse industry, and Polish cargo operator Morskie Agency Gdynia has taken a 10-year lease at City Park Gdansk Port. This is a new logistics park that is being developed in Gdansk, comprising more than 20,000 square meters. And MAG's decision to integrate its warehouse space into this location will enable the company to optimize its operations and facilitating the company's growth and ambitions. The lease transaction was brokered by Newmark. And according to Krzysztof Laskowski, Vice President of Morskie Agency Gdynia, relocating our headquarters to City Park Gdansk Port will enable us to centralize and streamline our operations, helping us to consolidate our market-leading position. And finally, for today, CL Property has broken ground on a BTS facility for CityLink Wrocław. Wrocław is a city nowadays driven by innovation and has the second largest number of research and development centres and IT hubs among Poland's regional cities. And CL Property has started the construction of the 13,300 square metre BTS Technological Research and Development Centre, CityLink Wrocław. Pekabex is the general contractor for the facility, and the investment is expected to be completed in the second half of next year. The bank financing of 13.5 million euros was provided by mBank, and according to Daniel Pałasz, Chief Financing Officer at CL Property, banks appreciate the potential of the industrial space market, especially facilities centred around the technology industry. And those are the highlights of the news for today. For more news, please join us again tomorrow.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.